started out from Bern when sunny August morn. There was just the four of us against the Matterhorn. There was Albert the Australian and John the Irishman, me and Bill from Britain, mad dogs in the sun. Matterhorn, Matterhorn, men tried and men died, he climbed the Matterhorn, that mighty Matterhorn. Lying beneath an avalanche of snow. Now here I am going on down, I know I cannot stop. For 2 more yards in front of me until I reach the top. Matterhorn, Matterhorn, men have tried, men have died, he climbed the Matterhorn, that mighty Matterhorn. Well, here I am a-dying upon the Matterhorn, a grave for me to lie in, no grave to keep me warm. And the queen would surely knight me if I could get back down, but it's closer here to heaven. And it is back to the ground. Matterhorn, 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 that mighty Matterhorn, that mighty Matterhorn.
But they won't back down and they won't forget. To the shame of powerful men, always get chance gonna rise again. Free, just like a red-winged blackbird. Free, just like a red-winged blackbird.
And hello there, I'm Bailey Robert Chandler. I'm Maxwell Monkey Freeman. And I'm Lucas the Parrot. Welcoming you to EBCV TV of March 28, 2023. And that was your song of the day, which was called Battleford 1885 by the Dreadnoughts. And I guess it's one of their newest songs, too. Well, one of them. Yep, that was your song of the day. I mean, but let me shrink us down. But not too bad that you can't see us that well. Why am I shrinking? Yeah, why am I shrinking too? Well, I don't know. Partly because I control it. That even though I say you control the expert broadcasting, which sometimes you do, Maxwell Monkey Freeman, but now we gotta let Lucas the Parrot control. Yeah, I'm gonna control like this. Okay, that's enough. That's enough, Lucas the Parrot. Stop wiggling me around. Please stop. Please stop. Give me that. Thank you, Lucas the Parrot. Thanks for controlling that, but now we gotta stop controlling that for a moment. Do you read what I say? Yes, I read you, Bailey. Stupid. Okay, let's stop insulting each other and stop also before this gets out of hand. Anyway, the Hut, I think it's how they said it, restaurant, or the Hut restaurant. More details coming, so please hold your questions. Okay, I will please hold my questions. But we wanted to share that we will be offering the very first return of our traditional Sunday buffet on April 2nd from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Menu and pricing coming soon. Reservations are strongly nearly required. Upside down smiley emoji face recommended. Call us at 304-924-6435. That's their number, not mine, to make your reservation. We'll be open Wednesday through Sunday this week, and we will let you know when we will have another Sunday buffet plan. And that comes from, let me make sure I'm saying this right, the Hut. Pronunciation. Let me see if I did it right. Of course. Let's see if I said it right.
Hütte.
Yeah, Hütte.
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 Hütte. Okay. Well, I guess it depends on how you say it in these. Okay, let's see.
Rombacher Hütte.
Okay.
Hut.
Hut. So it means the hut. Yeah, the hut. The hut. The hut. Yeah, well, now let's go back, okay? Anyway, the Columbus Zoo regains accreditation lost in 2021. Now, I remember reading this when they did lose their accreditation. I thought it was stupid because, number one, the Columbus Zoo didn't abuse animals. and they never have. I've been to the Columbus Zoo. You know it, I know it, you know it, they know it, the Columbus Zoo knows it, that they did not even dare abuse the animals. They took care of those animals like the circus did. Anyway, but yeah, they did lose their accreditation. Now they got it back. So I guess that is good. And by the way, Jack Hanna didn't abuse those animals. He took really, really, really good care of those animals. I am trying not to cuss while being mad, because I promised myself I wouldn't cuss in these videos that bad anymore. But you know what? The Columbus Zoo is a nice zoo. It had a water park. It had amusement rides. I mean, even though it had a merry-go-round that you had to pay for, and plus I didn't have the money for it at the time, but still, I did ride the merry-go-round because someone gave me money. But still, I don't like that worker. I think she got fired anyway, but still, she's probably not there anymore, so. Well, she was being a jerk to me, and that's the last thing we need. So now, I'm gonna move on instead of saying I should be a jerk to her, let's just move on, because it's not gonna end well if I just be a jerk to her. Anyway, let's see. First off, let's go to the Charleston Dirty Birds post. One night only, Dirty Birds to become pepperoni rolls on July 15th in the middle of summer. The Dirty Birds, or mid-July, which is really hot, the Dirty Birds will take the field as the West Virginia food item that has become a national icon. More info and details on the Pepperoni Roll Festival and contest coming soon. Design work by Lorenzo Nichols, lead graphic designer from Sponsor Goodwill Industries of Canal Valley Incorporated. Read right there. And by the way, I don't think the jerseys are out yet, but I would like to have that jersey. But then again, baseball jerseys are expensive. So when can I get these jerseys? Can I get these jerseys? And can I? Hold on. Yeah, we know. Well, let me see if it's in their shop already. Nope, that doesn't help. Must not be in their shop right yet. Actually, it might be in their jerseys. That might help. Nope, I don't see them yet, but still, remind me when they're out. I'm pretty sure they'll remind me. Anyway, then we go to Jay Silverman's post about this. Who had the best pepperoni roll in the state? Prior to the Charleston Dirty Birds baseball game on July 15th, the Dirty Birds in Have Fun, West Virginia, will host a pepperoni roll festival and contest starting at 3 o'clock. I'm assuming 3 p.m. because they won't have that at 3 a.m. But anyway, yeah, so a ticket to the game includes tickets to the contest where fans can vote for their favorite homemade pepperoni roll from local restaurants and participants. The winner of the contest will be presented with a golden thumbs up trophy during the Dirty Birds pre-game ceremony. The pepperoni roll's identity is sponsored by Goodwill Canal Valley. The game-worn jerseys will be auctioned off following the game, and all proceeds will benefit Goodwill. Anyway, if you want to enter, we are judging for the best in the People's Choice Awards. Send request to J. Silverman at dirtybirdsbaseball.com. Limited space. Contest must make enough for judging and for fans to try a bite-sized slice of your top pepperoni roll. Good luck to everyone. Now let's have some fun. Hashtag pepperoni rolls. Hashtag contest. Hashtag WV check. Hashtag have fun. Nice. See, I remember the Hunger Games, just the movie though, not the book. I didn't like the book. I liked the movie more. But anyway, the Hunger Games, the Ballad of the Songbird. Oh no. The Hunger Games, the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, November 17th. First poster for Hunger Games, the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, coming to Regal, November 17th. And I thought the Hunger Games film and book series was done with after that last movie, even though I didn't get to see the last movie, but, or even the third movie. The 2-part movie. So, I guess, I guess I won't be watching the Hunger Games, the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. I don't know. But then again, I don't want to watch something that includes the dystopian theme to it. If you don't know what that means, here, I'll type it up for you. Think of utopia for one moment. You know what utopia means, okay? Now imagine what dystopia means. Dystopia is an imagined state or society in which there are great suffering or injustice. Typically one that is totalitarian or post-apocalyptic. So, guess what? It's the antonym of utopia. Yeah, utopia. And dystopia. Yeah. You got, I think there will never be a utopia, to be honest with you, and that there is. It probably won't last long anyway. I don't think they did last long. But anyway, let's move on, hopefully, to Chew Boom. In this one, I want Maxwell Monkey Freeman to read. But first, he needs his own segment. Okay, Bailey. I'm gonna change Lucas the Parrot the Block Show into monkeying around with, oops, hold on, MMF. Yeah. Monkeying around with MMF. Episode 1. Get you out of here, Bailey, for the moment. Hey. And get you out of here, Lucas the Parrot. Okay. Hello, boys and girls. Maybe men and women. Everyone. You know. Everyone. Let's just say everyone. Welcome to Monkeying Around with MMF. Hello there, I'm Maxwell Monkey Freeman, and I found out that Little Caesars launches new pretzel pull-apart bread in Canada. Little Caesars takes their pretzel game to the next level in Canada. Yeah, we know that, children, with the debut of the new pretzel pull-apart bread. Which kind of reminds me of how Outback Steakhouse bread looks like, but this is pretzel, I think, and that is chocolate bread at Outback Steakhouse, but still. Anyway, each 10-piece order of pretzel pull-apart bread features a freshly baked pretzel bread served with the brand's new cheesy dip. You can also order the pretzel pull-apart bread with the brand's signature crazy sauce, if the new cheesy dip isn't your thing. While prices may vary, a 10-piece order of pretzel pull-apart bread goes for a suggested price of $5.49 Canadian dollars, or about $4.02 US dollars. Interestingly enough, both Little Caesars Canada and Little Caesars US brought back the fan favorite pretzel crust pizza today, but the pretzel pull-apart bread is only available in Canada. I am Maxwell Monkey Freeman, and that was Monkeying Around with MMF. Nice job, Maxwell Monkey Freeman. Nice job. That is some good food, if it's good pretzel, by the way, but I don't know. I wish we could watch a YouTube video. Are you ready for a YouTube video by Brennen Taylor? And this episode of his is called Camping with the Cheapest Tent on Amazon. I was freezing. And that I was freezing was, I guess, in those brackets. I think that's what they call them, parentheses.
What's up, you guys? Today we're in Lone Pine with a population of just 1,000 people. We are about to head up to the mountains and camp in sub-freezing degree weather. Shit! Oh, shit! I have a retainer right now. Oh my god, look at this. This is scary. This is not going to be fun, but it's going to be awesome for you to watch. So, we're at the Lone Pine Market right now. Let's get some supplies before we start this little camping trip. Come on. Alright, so some stuff we're going to for sure need out here is firewood. Because we're not going to survive without firewood. 7? That's not a bad deal. Martin Villa is in here. Via friends. Ooh, should we make some little tacos in the freezing cold? Okay.
Are you sure this is a good idea? I don't think this is gonna end well for him.
We don't have tacos. Maybe if you're feeling frisky, make yourself a burrito. Don't matter to us.
This is a 20-minute video. Okay, well, get comfortable, guys. I can barely hear this.
Alright guys, let's just start piling the stuff we need in here and let's just make a quick time lapse.
Don't want to watch all this, but I gotta have to because I chose this video.
Alright guys, we're ready to camp now. Let's do this. Where the heck is he taking us? It's like clearly a dead end. He could be trying to kill us. He could be. It could be also didn't even go this way. Weren't we just here on the street? Whitney Portal. These are the times I wish I had a 4x4. But hey, we're gonna try our best, you know what I mean? I was only 16 when I got this car, y'all. Are y'all saying I couldn't afford it? I couldn't afford it. You're right. But now, I'll buy 17 of these. You know what I mean?
Oh. I wouldn't brag about that, dude.
And it's closed, so we're gonna have to find some back paths.
Just saying. I wouldn't brag about that stuff.
Let's go.
Isn't this the same place that Gabby Petito got killed?
Let's try not to break an oil pan. For real, for real.
You might want to be careful.
Things, you know, here and there, jumping on the mud, jumping off of the freeway real quick.
Gabby Petito did get killed, by the way.
Oh my god, look at that.
I noticed because I saw the news about it.
Reverse it out. Alright, here we go.
Well, wait till you get to the bottom to like power. Don't start from here.
Her stupid boyfriend, stupid motherfucker. She could have been a good YouTuber herself, but no. A life was taken.
Protect me, please, my lord. That was sick. That was awesome. Oh my god, you get stuck. Oh, it's like a 3 wheels. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Yo. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna get muddy, and I'm gonna get muddy from this, probably from reaching out the window.
I don't like where they're going. Don't get lost.
Alright, we almost just didn't make that. My wheels were spudding right there. Yeah, you guys were going way too slow, so I was like, oh my god. I had to actually at one point stop at that point where the car was getting scratched. You know, with the thing, and then my wheels just, I'm like, oh no, please, Lord, please. I'm stepping on this thing. It was shooting dirt, but we made it. We're good.
So we either stay here or we keep going. I'm down to keep going.
I'm down to go a little further and see what's up, but we can always come back. Let's do that. Send the drone out. Let's go see if there's a better spot available.
Okay, so we're going to fly the drone because this spot's kind of open. We want to find something that's like more private. Let's do it. It's drone time.
Be careful with that drone. Okay, good.
Okay, so we found a spot with the drone. Now we just gotta get there. So it's just luck.
I like your drone footage, but some people would get mad over those drones.
Shit, everything in the back just has.
I'm glad that there's no one near
Big
you.
driving this right now. Look at that little camper dog. He's a wilderness beast with a Batman shirt on. How cold?
Oh, that's doable. It's probably like your pool.
That doesn't look like my pool though. Okay, you guys, so we picked our spot. I got my car in a very uncomfortable position. Like, there's one way out only. Not that way. This is a view, man. And we got the board blocking us in here. We're safe. No Sasquatch is getting us tonight, baby. No way, no way. Now we gotta set up this tent. Wish us luck, man. This is the cheapest tent I could find online. It was literally like 70 bucks. It was probably used because I tried to go for the cheaper route on Amazon. So, anyways, let's start setting this thing up. So when I was talking about a cheap tent, this is what I got. I literally got this. I hope this is a full-fledged tent. I can already tell you it's cheap because it's busting out the freaking bag. Anyways, let's open this thing up and let's try to put it together. Alright, here's our mattress that Jake and I will be sharing. Oh, it's like a perfect fit, huh? Wow! That's literally a perfect fit. Oh, we forgot pillows. My man! So look, I'm gonna give you the quick rundown of this tent, okay? So we know it's 75 bucks from Amazon, and that ain't a flex unless you cheap as hell like me. It's a flex because damn, for 75 bucks, this is it. We're attached at the hip, literally it's attached all around the car, so it's not going anywhere. Let's take a look at how big this is, okay? We're gonna let you know if 2 grown men will sleep comfortably in this $75 Amazon tent. You know what, we should literally attach this as a review of this damn tent so everyone can know. Look at that, perfect Tesla padding inside. That was like more than enough room for both of us to sleep on. I mean, we got our essentials in there. We got a little plug in case we want to charge up, you already know. And in case we charge too long, come over here, Jake. On this side, always stay prepared with some rusty battery chargers, jumper cables. Other than that, look at this. We got a cool feature in this tent. I paid a little extra for it. It was an extra 99 cents. But we got windows on top, baby, looking at the stars. So it's about to be a good night if I say so myself. But obviously, we'll let you guys know that as time goes, because it's going to get real cold tonight. We might end up jumping out of this bitch and going into the car, sleeping with it on all night, heater blasted. And what's a camping trip without some brewskis, am I right, my boys?
Oh, yeah. First drink in 12 days for me.
Yeah, we've been going sober for a while, so this is, we're getting loose tonight.
Yeah, same here.
Cheers, boys.
Cheers. I'm kidding. Don't waste the brushes, dude!
We only have 3 of these, so this is it, 1 each. Hey, buddy, you want a little beer? Just kidding. I wouldn't do that. I would totally do that. Look at this. This is the beginning of a stupid idea, you guys. We're gonna have them come down, go around, and then look how messed up the road is over here. Yeah, maybe it might not be the best. Just send it. I mean, worst case, you go down this way and come back up.
Yeah, we can do that too.
You guys, this is a pre-warning. I already said this is a bad idea, but I'm also the one saying, come on, let's do it. We need something crazy. Do something crazy. Freshman, freshman. Hey, put him in the car. Oh my God, have your seatbelts on, bro. Oh my God, you guys. He's like full on.
You can go more right if you need it.
This is
Right there. A little left. Right there. You can go straight down. You're good. Right there.
Oh, baby.
Am I gonna hit the bumper?
No, you're good.
Oh, the back bumper.
You're good. There you go, keep going. Put it into crawl mode. Oh, close. It's real Reddit over here.
Where are we supposed to go from this? Yeah, what am I supposed to do?
It's a little bumpy.
No way, I can't do that.
Alright, you're gonna have to flip a bit.
I'm gonna have to flip a bit.
I think if you stay right, you'll be good. Just stay right, and then you can just turn around over there and then come back. Oh, because that road is blocked off. Like, it fell down. Can't go that way. Look at the road, you guys. Maybe we shouldn't have gone this way. But hey, this is all good for good content. My Uber driver just pulled up out of nowhere. Check how cute he is. You are dang cute, my man. Dang cute. Now, what's a campsite without a campfire? Am I right? So let's start one. Bought some wood in town and build something up nice. Something with airflow. Something that's gonna stay lit and keep us warm all night long. We only have 2 bundles of wood, and this is fully 1 bundle. So what we're gonna use to light it, plastic, because we love inhaling melting plastic. I am just kidding. Nobody take that seriously. We're gonna actually throw this away outside, so we're gonna make sure we keep it in our pockets so we don't leave any trash. We're gonna get this going with a little fire starter. You already know the vibes, and we gotta light it. Oh, no way. Bro, what $2.99 ass lighter was this? Bro, look at our lighter, bro. How are we gonna start a fire now? I have an idea. You guys, if this doesn't work, we're basically screwed because we're gonna freeze to death and die out here. So things have just got a lot more extreme for us now.
Yeah.
It's time to start over again. Come on, Elf. Come on, Elf. What? An orc? No way. Well, since I'm here.
And the weather's dropping fast. Does anyone have what the weather is right here, right now, where we're at?
There's no service, but I got a map.
Map ain't gonna tell us the weather.
It's for Mount Wilson. Where's that?
That's in Montana, Jake.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna see his Boy Scout skills come in clutch here right now
I'll
because.
tell you what, man. I've never been in the Boy Scouts.
Oh God, we're screwed! And when I used to be a heavy, I used to have one in my car, but now I don't do that, so I don't have one. You didn't cut any wires. Like, I think that wire, the yellow, will go to the green, and then this yellow one has to go inside of this little hole.
No, this is more fun.
Okay, so we're piecing this together. We're gonna see if this works right now. All right.
Oh, I got matches!
Okay, you guys. So we have a broken lighter right now. So Jake's gonna attempt to pour the fluid from the lighter onto this napkin and then light it.
Oh no, Jake.
It's going. Oh, sleep. You're gonna burn yourself. You're crazy.
What?
You're savage.
Oh my God.
Why would you put more on my faces there? Come on, dude.
Here, pour the Jake.
No, we don't need it. Save it.
No need for attitude.
Yeah, because you're gonna burn my eyebrows off.
They're really thick. All right, we got fire. Wow, that was a close call. If Jake didn't have those matches, we'd be screwed right now. Because somebody wanted the $2 lighter.
Next time, we're getting the $3 lighter.
Yeah. Listen, guys, this should be a perfect example as to you pay for what you get. Don't ever go for the cheapest route because most of the time you're gonna end up paying double because you're gonna buy either a second one or you're gonna end up buying the better one after. We're gonna get this thing going, and then we'll start cooking. Alright, this is one way of doing it. There we go. That's a fire. Woo! My buddy over here, Martin, got some Colombian rum for us. So we're gonna be drinking rum like pirates tonight. Oh, baby.
Is it in a Gatorade bottle?
Oh,
no.
Ron Viejo de Carlas. Let's taste it. This is Whiskey Taste Test Reviews with Brennen and Jake. Let's give it a good smell. Oh, I can smell Jack Sparrow from here. A little bit for my mans. A little bit for my mans. Check that out. Got some nice golden color to it. As you know, rum is rum. There's a fire, right? A little extra protein. Arrgh. That's smooth. Like when I'm drinking rum, I'm like, oh, you feel that going down. This really good stuff, actually. 15 years age, man. How much does this bottle cost?
That's a good question. Probably like
$3.99.
no. It's probably like 50, 60 bucks.
25, 35.
Well, you already know, man. When you're in the campsites you got. This is like part of the ritual.
No, it's a routine. Like we aren't even trying to drink. We're not even trying to. We're like on a diet. We're trying so hard to be healthy.
But the thing is that it's so cold out here. You need something to warm your system up. And our fire, I mean, it's lit, but you know what? We don't know for how long. So. Alright, so this fool behind me took so long to set up. It's nighttime now, but let me show you his setup.
Setup time?
Like 15 minutes, but
15, 20
but
minutes
dang,
for
look,
that.
that's not bad, you guys. Look, he actually built a full platform that he stays on. He's got his storage area down below so that he can still use his trunk as an accessory. What the? Anyways, back to what I was saying. He's got, you know, a sleeping pad here. He's gonna sleep comfortably. This is good enough for literally 2 people, and he can rock both ways. You got your boyfriend, you got your girlfriend, or you got whatever you call them. They're there. You're good. You know what I mean? He's got his room for his water. That's a pretty nice setup, man. I'm not gonna lie.
It's not bad. I think I'm gonna be sleeping in comfort tonight.
Yeah, and you gotta understand, he's now secure from the outside weathering. Like, he's not gonna get no breeze in here. He's gonna stay warm. Jake and I, we're gonna hear ruffles, we're gonna hear breezes, and we're gonna be cold. That's what camping's all about.
That's true. Except for me.
Not for you. Alright, well, let's start cooking some food. I'm getting hungry. We got the burner burning right now. We're about to start preparing. We're making some carne asada tacos. Because yo soy mexicano por vida hasta la muerte. So let's make some carne asada. Come on. This is a team effort. We're all going to be cooking here because we're all going to be eating. So everybody working together here. We just walked up into this store and we said, give us the carne asada. So honestly, we don't know what to expect here because there's no seasoning on this at all. So it's not like it has carne asada seasoning. But don't worry because we bought taco seasoning. Oh, baby. Those are long strips. Listen to the sizzle.
Woo! I'm just hoping that we get to eat tonight. That's all I want. So next, jalapenos. Let's just grill those up in there.
Look, it is cooking nicely though. This will be done ASAP. I think this is a great moment to tell you guys something. Don't be afraid of anything. Get out there and live your life because if you don't, what I guarantee is gonna happen when you're 60 years old and you're in that old home, the only fear you're gonna have is that you didn't live more. Get out there, do something with your life, have some fun. We're only here for like 65, 70 years. Like, that looks done.
Yeah, it's way done.
I mean, it could be more, but yeah, he's kind of right.
Alright, we got the next one, more seasoning. What's lime? We need more seasoning.
Yeah, I should go camping, but then again, I've never been camping. I've been fishing.
Oh, we haven't even checked this.
I meant fishing, sorry.
Oh, these are about to be done. Yeah, there's so much seasoning.
But not camping.
At this point, the seasoning is like making a
Need to
protective
go
layer over
camping.
the meat, and it's not even cooking.
Just to try it out, you know.
Alright, you guys, carne asada tacos and
Epidemic Sound provides you with restriction-free music and sound effects that you can use across all of your content without
sub-freezing degree
I
weather.
mean, I
and
would
just with the
use
voice.
that service,
Cheers.
but I think I like the Spotify better. Even though most of it's copyrighted.
I will say, the only thing that's missing is the salsa verde or something. It needs some kind of salsa. But other than that, fire.
I got that last piece of meat.
Oh, dude, the meat is so juicy and good. We did it, boys. Good shit. All right, y'all, we're doing things a little bit different right now. We each got a jalapeno pepper that we toasted up. Let's eat it. Who needs salsa when you got jalapeno sauce?
That's good.
Wow, that was delicious. 10 out of 10 without a doubt in my mind. So now we're gonna just chill by the campfire. We'll show you our sleeping arrangements when we get in there, and we hope to God we don't freeze to death.
I know I'm gonna be warm for sure.
He'll be warm, but maybe Jake and I will freeze to death. We'll find out together though. Oh my God, look at this. This, wait, no, don't do anything. This is an ancient spider. This one is, yeah, this is the ancient, you bitch! Guys, it's dark out here. Let's show with no light, okay?
Alright, ready? 1, 2.
Dude, this is no light. Basically, it's dark as shit out here. So, we found a cave, though. Let's go climb this rock and go check it out, guys. Okay, hold on. Let me restart this with light.
Monster.
Whoa, don't say that, okay? Because you're gonna scare me. What if there's a hillside eyes there? I'm already drinking a lot of rum, guys. Look, guys, I'm a professional climber, so just follow me, okay? I'm also not drunk. I drink rum. I know, this is the beginning of the end. No, but I have good grip on my shoes. Look at these shoes, guys. These shoes are no joke. You see, I don't f around, yo. Oh, it's not really a cave. It's just kind of a gaping hole. Go call in there, though, for the video. Get all the way in there so that they can see what kind of cave this is. Get as far as you can in there so you can see.
Go, keep going. What's on the other side? Oh my god. Wait, he's gone. Oh my god. I gotta go check this out. Oh, this is scary, yo.
Okay, guys, we're going in the cave. Holy shit. I'm claustrophobic.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay, there's opening and there's outside.
You good?
We're good.
It's like a little ring.
Whoa.
Is Jake coming? Hold on. No, he's scared.
What could be up here? Just more rocks? Yeah, so you gotta be very careful because this is how people get injured, you know, trying to get down. Well, we made it up here, and let me tell you, you don't get a better view of the stars. It's the same.
With a clear sky like this. And we got lucky because there's clouds.
It's crazy. As soon as you just jump out of a city and you go just like into the wilderness, how many stars there actually is insane. Like when you see those pictures of people, and you know what? I
show us the stars.
So this is actually how many stars out here. Here's the photo. Isn't that insane? It looks like a spiritual photo. Like I'm.
And why can't I see them? Because of the light.
That's literally how many stars out here. This is not an edited photo.
All right, let's make our way down.
Safely. We'll check back, and if I don't, I fell and died.
Yo, we're struggling.
Where's Brennen?
Bro, yo, this might be like a one-person thing. I don't know.
This is for sure a one-person.
I don't think this is a super thing. And
Oh yeah, it is. Nah, you can
we got a
fine.
little dog in here too. This is our setup, okay? This week right now, you can fully see that we'll have enough.
I'm taking my pants off.
Why?
Because I'm cold.
Why are you taking
Because I'm gonna put my thermals on.
Alright guys, just so you know, I'm sleeping in jeans right now. It's what I got.
I'm really not comfortable.
Really?
It'll have to do. It's gonna have to do. We're gonna do our best tonight. We'll hopefully make it through the night. We'll have to check back in the morning. But for now, my goal is for the night is to keep Kobe warm. I have him wrapped in a blanket. He's gonna be in my sleeping bag, and we'll see what happens.
I kind of have to pee again.
Oh, dude, you just got me.
It's on you, man. I'm gonna go to sleep. We'll check back in the morning. We'll let you guys know how it was sleeping in this $75 tent in the 30 degree, 20 degree, however freaking cold it is, but regardless, it's cold weather. So we'll let you know in the morning. Check back then.
The next day.
Rise and shine, Jake. Wait, where's Cody? Oh, hey, buddy. What a night's sleep. Listen, you guys, I have my retainer in right now, but Kobe made me not be able to zip up my sleeping bag because he was just too big for me to like zip it up with me in there. I had it half open. I had to wrap him in his blanket, and the air was coming in, and I was shivering when I slept in my jeans. Anyways, let's go see what Martin's up to. Looks like he's sleeping pretty nicely still. Sleepy angel. Anyways, we gotta get this packed up, cleaned up, and get out of here because I have an appointment in Hollywood at 11:30. But look at how beautiful this is. Alright, y'all, it's breakdown time. And remember, Jake, what's the rule?
Always make it cleaner than it was when you arrived.
So it's clean time, baby. So there you have it, a full-on camping adventure. Do you guys want more camping adventure from us? Let us know in the comments down below and we can definitely make this happen. Definitely go check out Martin's channel. He's posted some BTS of tonight, some other crazy drone stuff. So if you want to check him out, go give him a subscription. Link down below. Check out Jake. Check out me.
It's freezing.
We gotta get the fuck out of here, you guys. It's so cold. Anyways, love you. Peace. Bye.
Hold on, let me Okay, there we go. Please make more camping videos with food in it, Brandon. Hopefully I spell. Yeah, I spelled the name right. Let me capitalize that B though first, and the P. Comment. And I'm Bailey Robert Chandler. I'm Maxwell Monkey Freeman. And I'm Lucas the Parrot. Signing off.